For get a good grades, it's necessary that you do many things. For example, you cannot work good if you are tired in the class, or you don't sleep enough. You need to sleep early for wake up early and do the things with all the energies. You are to the 100% during the classes. It's more or less necessary that you practice some sport. For example, I practice the soccer, and when you run a little time all the mornings, help you to be a healthy body and healthy brain. And it's important that you exercise your body, so your brain you can read many books that, well, many people think that I don't like read because it's very boring for me, or I like more play video games or other things that they don't know that are specific books for them. And it's important that you read. When you read, it's like you when you see a movie, but for reading. It's important that you sleep enough when you are in during the classes, and you feel tired, or you find yourself needing to shut your eyes. It's necessary that you, well, this means that you aren't sleeping enough, and it's important that you sleep all your hours. For example, for the kids, it's important that they sleep like 10 hours or 9 hours more or less. And the young people like me, it's necessary that they sleep like 8 hours, and we used to sleep only like 4 hours or six, and this is the reason that we haven't, or we don't have enough energy for for to do some homework, or for pay attention during classes or other things.